Want to learn more about or need assistance mastering the features of your Hyundai vehicle? With the Hyundai How-Tos website, you can easily find the videos to get the most out of your Hyundai. Just go to HyundaiHowTos.com. Then select the model year of your vehicle. Next, select your vehicle. You can also sort by vehicle type. Once your year and model are selected, select the trim of your model to refine your search. Not sure of the trim of your vehicle? Some have it listed on the rear of the vehicle. And you can also check the window sticker of your car if you have it. And your My Hyundai with BlueLink app homepage will list the trim. The videos that are relevant to your exact model will be displayed. When searching for videos, you can also select the type of features, such as navigation or BlueLink, to further refine your search. You can also use the keyword search bar to further customize your search. After finding the video you're looking for, simply click to play it. You can also share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for being a Hyundai owner. We hope you get the most out of your vehicle by using our simple and easy-to-use how-to videos.